Right, so we've got this. It's a big box, and hopefully it's got my fairing end for my CBR. I know these aren't the CBR, but the CBR600. This just should be a brand new set of fairings for it. And I'm going to open this on camera because, you know, AliExpress. Right, so as you can see, this has not been opened. Unfortunately, I don't have a good enough stand to video the opening of it. Shall I get that next to me? Okay, let's do it. So there, we've got that one there. So hopefully you'll be able to see it in more detail. Also, they've used tape, which is yellow. Pretty sure that takes years to yellow. So this has been packed for a long time. You know what I mean? Like when you go into an attic and someone's just tried to like fix like an old book with sellotape, and the sellotape's just yellow. That's the sellotape on the top of this. And it was dented, hence the reason why I wanted to open this. Having said that though, it looks well packed. Okay. Brand new windshield, visor, front, whatever that's called. Looks good. Heat stuff, tank guard there, but it's really, what's it called? A tank protector there, but it's really small. Heat stuff, more heat stuff. Is that another? Hey? Anyway, intakes, they look pretty good. They look brand new, they don't look old. Would you expect that though? I mean, yeah, you can see where they've cheaply moulded it. Although, you can't really complain for the money you pay for it. What is it? 320 quid all in? There's another front shield there. It's a different size. Is it? No, it's the same. Just different colour. So I've got two. You only meant to get one. Awesome. What I'm more interested in is, no, what I'm the most interested in is like the paintwork and stuff. So I'm trying to find something that, like a side fairing. Oh, it's got a tank cover as well. And there's another protector. That's rear fairing. That is a tank cover. I didn't expect this to come with a tank cover because my tank's not that bad on the CBR600. If this is good, I will get a set of fairings for the Fireblade as well. It doesn't look like this has any decals on though. Yeah, it's completely black. No decals whatsoever, but that's quite nice. It does mean I can protect the tank. So, hopefully the side fairings, which is the only bit I'm interested in because they're scratched, because the bike's obviously been dumped at some point. Here we go, this is my set. Please be good. I've got a set coming for the R6 as well. It's like a flip paint purple blue, and I've asked for gold trim because I'm going to get these alloys done gold. It's just something I wanted. Please have decals on. Oh, it does. Oh, that's a shame. Straight out of the box is ripped. Look at that. And there. Glad I recorded this. I wasn't going to do it all, but now I will because of that. That side's perfectly good though. So if they redo this side, that's no issue. Let's see the rear fairing. Right, because the front was so shit, let's have a look at this. rear is good in there. No. Look at that. Oh, what a shame. Good thing though with AliExpress is you do get your money back if it's shit. Oh, that's really annoying because the other side's alright. Right there. This side is missing that. And I'll show you right here. See, that's like come off there and there's a dent there. So that's a solid 4 out of 10 for me. The rest of it's alright. Annoying. Hopefully I can get this sorted out, and if I can't, I'm going to use the fairing anyway because it's better than the fairing I got. But it's just one of those things that's a bit disappointing. But what can you do? You can't even get these stickers here on the side, which is annoying. But that's just the way it is. Anyway, if you like the content, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll show you what this looks like on the bike afterwards. I mean, I'll talk to the manufacturers first, see if I can get those 2 bits replaced, but yeah.